My name is Terry Trujillo. I work with the New Mexico DOT District 1 Silver City Patrol. This is for the best practice. Our blade was picked as a winner for the best practice. It's a box blade grater that we came up with, windrow sizer, all together in one. The reason that we came up with this was to make our job a little bit easier, cleaner, nicer, make the road look good. We used to do it without all these attachments, just running a blade, doing multiple passes, and it took more time, not as efficient, didn't look as nice, and then it was a lot of training that you had to give employees to do. Now, since we got we got this idea from a box scraper that people were using. We made our edges on the moldboard, and then people were also using a windrow sizer. So we incorporated a windrow sizer into the front of the blade, so it all does the one thing at the same time. And it's worked out pretty good. It's been pretty efficient for us. This was built with basically scrap material, just metal and some rubber, angle iron from stores. So probably the cost was probably, not including labor, was probably like maybe about $200 to build everything. So it was pretty cheap, instead of buying a box scraper or a lay down machine, anything like that. We got the idea for this. TRC was doing some blade patches up on 152. They made the road look really nice, and we wanted to compete with them, but with a different idea. So that's where we were in the mornings. We would have our safety meeting, morning discussion, and we talked about different ideas, what would make it better. And that's how we came up with this idea. The crew came up with it, and what would work, what didn't work. So everybody had input. We can also use hot mix and cold mix as well with this setup. Most conventional way of just doing the blade patches, you could use either one, but now that they use these box scrapers, they can't really use the cold mix. So that's one of the things that we wanted to still be able to use. It saved a lot of time coming out here and doing patches. Now we can do a patch like within 15-20 minutes, when before it would take almost an hour to do blade patches, especially in town where you have a lot of traffic, you can't really turn around. This is really efficient because we can lay a blade patch in cold weather. Hot weather is better, when we use a hot mix, but we can lay patches in cold weather because it's quicker. You don't have to work the material. It doesn't harden on you. Because of efficiency, it gets us on and off the road quicker. We're able to get in and out off the road. It's safer for the public. We're not stopping them. We're not inconveniencing them, holding them up. So it makes our job a lot better. And I want to thank the district too, down in Deming, that they allowed us to, use these materials, get the guys to take the time to build something like this. And then, now we get recognized for it. Appreciate it. And appreciate the crew for doing everything they do.